So guys, we have our sample project on, and as you can see inside our project we have two pictures, and behind the picture we have our solid color layers. Now how to add solid color layers? Go to the title tab, again the title, from here select the solid color, then click on the background, select the color you want or insert the hex code, press on OK, give it a name, suppose color 01, press on save. Now to use it, just left click and drag and drop to the timeline. And if you want to change the color again, right click on the solid layer, edit title, then click on the background color and choose the new color you want. So guys, that's how easily we can add solid color layer in OpenShot. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.